Natural vegetation and wildlife. Dachigam National Park. Dachigam, located in the Himalayas in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, is divided into higher and lower regions. It is a home to hangul, an endangered species of deer. The snow leopard, Himalayan brown bear, and Himalayan grey langurs are a few important mammals found here. It is also a home to Himalayan monals and bearded vultures. Namdapha National Park. Namdapha in Arunachal Pradesh is the largest national park in the northeast and is situated close to Myanmar. It is known as a botanist's dream, with wide altitudinal variations which has resulted in diverse habitats. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga in Assam is located on the floodplains of the Brahmaputra. The one-horned Indian rhinoceros is its flagship species. It boasts of the highest density of tigers in India. Manas National Park. Manas in Assam is located at the foothills of Bhutan. It is also a home to the famed Indian rhino. It has been declared as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Gir National Park. Gir in Gujarat is the only remaining habitat for the Asiatic lions and has a thriving population of panther, sambar, cheetal, nilgai, and wild boar. Gulf National Park. The Gulf of Kutch is situated on the southern shore of the Gulf of Kutch in the Jamnagar district of Gujarat state in India. Gulf of Kutch is the first marine national park of the country. It has complex coral reef ecosystems coupled with extensive mangroves. Run of Kutch. Run of Kutch is a desert sanctuary in Gujarat. It is also known as the Wild Ass Sanctuary. The wild ass is its flagship species. Ranthambore National Park. Ranthambore in Rajasthan, now famous for its tigers, used to be the hunting preserve of the Maharaja of Jaipur. It is surrounded by the Vindhya and the Aravalli hill ranges and is located close to the outer fringes of the Thar Desert. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary. Bharatpur Bird Sanctuary in Rajasthan is famous for its water birds and migratory birds, including the Siberian crane. Saraska Tiger Reserve. Some of the wildlife found in Saraska Tiger Reserve includes the Bengal tiger, leopard, jungle cat, caracal, striped hyena, golden jackal, cheetal, etc. Dudhwa National Park. Dudhwa National Park in Uttar Pradesh supports the largest population of swamp deer and tigers. Corbett National Park. Corbett National Park in Uttarakhand is situated at the foothills of the Himalayas. It is India's first national park and also one of the finest. Over 585 species of resident and migratory birds have been categorized, including the crested serpent eagle, blossom-headed parakeet, and the red jungle fowl, etc. Sundarbans National Park. Sundarbans mangrove forests are located mostly in Bangladesh and a little in India. In West Bengal, it is a part of the world's largest delta formed by the Ganga, Brahmaputra, and Meghna rivers. It is a home to the Royal Bengal tiger. Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary. Chilka Lake Bird Sanctuary is Asia's largest island saltwater lagoon. It is a home to one of the world's largest breeding colonies of flamingos. Bandhavgarh National Park. Bandhavgarh is also known as White Tiger Country. The Sal Forest of Bandhavgarh in Madhya Pradesh is a home to tigers, leopards, gaur, sambar and four-horned antelopes. Kanha in Madhya Pradesh. Kanha in Madhya Pradesh is the largest wildlife sanctuary in Asia. It is famous for its swamp deer and its tigers. Melghat Tiger Reserve. Melghat is situated in the catchment of the 5 major tributaries of the river Tapti. The main fauna found here are tiger, leopard, sloth bear, wild dog, jackal, sambar, gaur, barking deer, nilgai, cheetal, chausingha, rattle, flying squirrel, wild boar, langur, rhesus monkey, porcupine, pangolin, mouse deer, python, otter and black-naped hare. Tadoba National Park. Tadoba, located in Maharashtra, is also known as the Jewel of Vidarbha. It is the oldest park of Maharashtra. Tadoba Tiger Reserve is home to rare Indian wildlife like leopards, sloth bears, gaur, nilgai, wild dogs, hyenas, etc. Bandipur and Nagarhole National Parks in Karnataka are rich in flora and fauna. These are famous for their tigers, leopards, cheetal, sambar, gaur and elephants. Mudumalai Sanctuary. Mudumalai in Tamil Nadu is a continuation of the Bandipur National Park separated by the river Moyar. Here one can often spot herds of endangered Indian elephants, vulnerable gaur and cheetal. The sanctuary is a haven for Bengal tigers and Indian leopards and other threatened species. Periyar Wildlife Sanctuary and National Park. Periyar in Kerala is nested in the mountain ranges of the Western Ghats. It also has a 5,560-hectare lake by the same name. Periyar is a highly protected tiger reserve and elephant reserve. Other mammals found here include gaur, bison, sambar, barking deer and mouse deer.